Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel, your go-to place for discovering innovative products that make life easier and smarter. Today, we're diving into 5 impressive indoor hydroponic gardening systems that bring fresh, homegrown produce right into your kitchen. Let's get started. Number 5. The Gardyn. This smart vertical indoor garden is designed to grow up to 30 plants in just about 2 square feet of space. It uses full-spectrum LED grow lights and an automated hydroponic watering system that delivers nutrients directly to the roots, using up to 95% less water than traditional gardening. A built-in reservoir typically needs refilling only every 1 to 2 weeks. What really sets it apart is its integrated technology. Cameras, sensors, and the Kelby AI assistant monitor plant health around the clock, adjust lighting and watering schedules, and send reminders through the app. It's a seamless, low-maintenance way to grow pesticide-free, non-GMO herbs and greens year-round. Number 4. The LetPot. This compact countertop garden features 12 planting pots and a 24-watt full-spectrum LED light. It offers 2 lighting modes, veggie mode and fruit and flower mode, along with an automatic 16-hour on, 8-hour off timer. The adjustable light column grows up to around 21 inches, adapting to your plants as they develop. A quiet circulation pump runs in cycles to oxygenate the water and help prevent root issues. With a 5.5-liter reservoir and a clear water window, refills are typically needed only about once a month. It comes as a complete starter kit, making it easy to begin growing herbs, greens, or flowers right out of the box. Number 3. The AeroGarden Harvest 2.0. This 6-pod hydroponic system is built for simplicity and efficiency. It uses a water basin and internal pump to circulate and aerate nutrients, helping plants grow faster than in soil. The detachable LED light hood includes white, red, and blue LEDs, and can be adjusted up to about 12 inches as plants grow. Its redesigned dark grow deck helps reduce algae growth. The system is largely automated, with a simple control interface and a 1-button nutrient reminder that manages light cycles and pump operation. It also includes a starter kit, so users can begin growing and harvesting within weeks. Number 2. The LetPot LPH-Max. This advanced hydroponic system can grow up to 21 plants, plus an additional 2-pod tray for larger crops. It features a large water tank and optional external tank connection, along with automatic water refilling and nutrient dosing. Sensors monitor water levels and nutrient concentration, allowing the system to run for up to 30 days with minimal input. A powerful 36-watt LED panel offers multiple brightness levels, specialized growth modes, and a rotatable arm with up to 30 inches of clearance. It can be controlled via a touchscreen display or a smartphone app, where users can customize lighting, manage pump cycles, and receive alerts. Number 1. The Aooccder Hydroponics Growing System. This large-capacity indoor garden features a 3-tier vertical design that can support up to 48 pods, making it ideal for growing a wide variety of herbs and leafy greens. It includes a 24-liter water tank and an auto-circulating pump that distributes oxygenated nutrients across all levels. The system is equipped with smart LED grow lights optimized for indoor plant growth, along with Wi-Fi and app control for remote monitoring and adjustments. Its high-capacity design allows for longer intervals between refills, bringing a more farm-style indoor growing experience into your home. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest product insights. See you in the next video.